Alright guys, just a little update. I got my drone working. The only thing I'm missing is the little shock absorber. I forgot to order them. I did order some more drop down pins. Camera works perfect. I turn it around. Got my flex cable put on. I had to put some JB Weld on this back motor that slipped out. I just put a little JB Weld on it. It worked perfect. I got my new propellers. All new propellers. So yeah. And another thing I fixed or put a new antenna and everything, and that was pretty easy. Yeah, and it flies perfect. I brought it out and flew it for like the maximum range, and it came back and everything was fine. There's some good recordings on it. Well, I forgot to record that day, but just got my SD card in so I can take pictures and videos. I can't really see. You can't really tell. I guess if I turn a light on, maybe. Let's see. But the JB Weld done a good job. Right under there, you see a little smear marks where that shaft goes into this little thing. And yeah, worked good. There it is. Yeah, you can see it now. That stuff works good. It just takes a long time for it to set up. You think it never's gonna work, but it does. And yeah, there's infamous cables. I don't know why they don't just incorporate those antenna wires, I call them. It's like coaxial wires. Why don't they just incorporate them with this ribbon instead of having them separate? Because the ribbon didn't break. If they do it that way, and this did decide to break off like mine did, they would stay in place with the same diameter wire. It looks, same diameter. I don't know why they don't just add them in to this. It might be some kind of interference thing. I don't know. It could be. But yeah. All right, just wanted to show y'all a quick little update on that. So everything else on the drone is still kicking. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.